But left the seminary to go to the Philippines to become a merchant. In 1590, he San Pedro Bautista, Spanish Franciscan missionary to the Philippines, proto-martyr of Japan, patron saint of ambassadors, patron of Franciscans in the Philippines, secondary patron of the Diocese of Cubao, titular saint of the Archdiocese of Cáceres. Pedro Bautista y Blasquez was born from a wealthy family in 1595 in Avila, Spain. He grew up helping and serving in the church and later studied Latin, philosophy, theology, and church music. When he came of age, Pedro entered the Order of Friars Minor. In the year 1584, he was sent as a missionary to the Philippines. Known as a prayerful priest, he traveled to Bulacan, Cavite, Laguna, Quezon, and Bohol to build houses of prayer and hospitals. He also built a small chapel and a place for retirement in San Francisco del Monte. Sent to Japan in 1593 as an emissary from Spain, he spent his days doing his mission as Franciscan friar. Also here, he was captured and was sentenced to death along with 25 others on the 5th of February 1597. San Pedro Bautista, pray for us. Accompanying the image of San Pedro Bautista is its chaplain, Brother Columban, Knights of Columbus, Pamayanan, and Finance Council. Viva San Pedro Bautista!
Nuestra Señora de los Ángeles de Porciúncula, our dear patron, San Pedro Bautista,